Hi, folks. My name is Dr. Hasford. I am a urologist practicing in Hollywood, Florida. I am actually from Ghana, West Africa. That's where I was born and raised, and immigrated for medical education in the US. I completed my medical school at Howard University College of Medicine in Washington, D.C., and from there on also completed my urology residency right there. I have been in private practice for just about 20 years or so. I first practiced in Ohio, but for the last 13 years, I've had my practice well established in the South Florida community. My office is located in Hollywood, Florida. I decided to become a urologist during my urology rotation in medical school. I fell in love with the field because I realized how much interesting it is, but also how much we can use that training to help people in need. Urologists are a field that treat illnesses that range from kidney infections, cancers, bladder problems, prostate problems, and all kinds of other ones. And I count myself blessed because I've been able to treat people over the past several years that have come back and let me know how much I've helped them. And that is a blessing that I cannot understate. First and foremost, I am a general urologist, and that means I treat patients with all sorts of urological problems. However, there are a few areas that are of most interest to me. These areas include men's health, and men's health comprise of erectile dysfunction, infertility, testosterone deficiency, and other problems of the prostate, such as prostate cancer. I'm also very much interested in other areas such as kidney stones. I treat patients with urinary incontinence in both men and women, and also infections of the urinary tract, going from kidney infections to bladder infections and those types of things. I will tell you a short story on why I decided to focus on men's health. I was in a residency program training to become a urologist, and we had a couple come to the office. The gentleman had erectile dysfunction. He was very reluctant in coming, but the wife convinced him to come. When they came, the wife was leading the way. The gentleman was behind her, and he was a bit shy. He was very anxious. But nonetheless, after we were able to help him and treat him, he ultimately needed a penile prosthesis. Now, the story goes that after everything was over and the prosthesis started working, and he and the wife came for a visit, guess who was leading the way this time? It was not the wife. It was a gentleman with a big smile on his face. That was when I decided that this area is of utmost interest, and I decided to pursue it. But having said that, men's health is extremely important. As we all know, men do not like to visit a doctor. They delay until sometimes a bit too late. So it's an underserved area that needs attention. And that's one of the reasons why I decided to focus my practice on men's health, treating them from prostate problems to erectile problems and the like. I like my patients to know that I'm a very caring person, and that I am here for them. When they come into my practice, we're going to treat them as human beings. We treat them with dignity. We treat them with respect. We treat them with empathy. And medically speaking, we're going to treat them as a whole individual. We consider not only the illness with which they present to us, but also any other illness that may come along the way as we do our investigation. We also have a team of specialists available to work with us so that if it comes to a point where their treatment has reached a point where I need to refer them out, I'm very, very happy to do so. And then the specialists that we have are excellent, and they will also do a good job because I've worked with them for a long time and I'm very confident in them.